Hello friends, in today's video I am going to show you how to create a scatter plot using Denev visual, and inside that you are going to use Vega-Lite coding. This information is about my revenue and profit correlation, and this is by department, by city and by product. And if I select any specific city, in that city which subject is doing good in terms of trainings, which is very profitable and also very revenue making. For example, Power BI is doing very good, whereas Word and Outlook trainings are not really doing good. So this visual is actually in two parts. First, I will explain the very basic visual where I can explain you the detailed steps, what are the attributes are involved in it, and then it will give you an idea how to create this visual and how to use those steps very easily. And then we will be adding little more complex code. Again, that will not a longer code, and you will understand how to achieve this, a bubble on top of that, a number or a text. So now let me explain you how to create it, but you need to watch this entire video to understand the concept so that you can create your own visual. Because objective of this video is to make you understand the steps and the basic layer or basic structure of the code, so that you can create your own visual with any other different structure. So please do watch completely. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to like this video and share with many. Now let's jump into the visual, and now let me tell you how to create it. So first let me explain you how to create the very basic visual or basic scatter plot like this, where you'll understand various steps, what is data, what is mark, and what is encoding. So these are the common steps for every visual in Denev, and then we will add the complex part. So let me add a new page and then add the visual. Inside I need to add all the required fields: city, application, then department, then profit, then revenue. So I need to go for editing this visual. So I'm using Vega-Lite and I'm using my own visual, and click on create. So the first element is data, and by default it is dataset. The layer part I will use later. The next one is the chart element, the bubble or circle, which is called mark, and this mark will be, the type is circle, and the size of it, because I require little bigger circle, so 200. Then I need to configure the visual. For that, encoding. So there I need to give my x and y coordinates. So then I'll say x equal profit, and it has to be properly taken, and it's a number, so the type is quantitative. Let me copy this and paste it, and the second one is y. On y I want to have revenue, and again it's quantitative. At this level, if I run the visual, I will get only the visual with single color. I want color based on certain parameter, that is application. So color again has field, and it's a text field. So application, then type equal nominal. I need to make sure that all the brackets are closed properly. It's done, and if I run the code, the very basic visual is ready. If I go back to the report, you can see the visual where all the bubbles are segregated. That means this is related to Word, this is related to Outlook, and remaining thing is mixed. The basic visual is ready, but we are targeting this visual where we have a larger bubble. On top of that, we have the label also, so that we can see the information more clearly. So to do that, we need to create an additional layer, and inside that we need to have a variable, and that variable will decide what name will come and what bubble. So let me get into the edit and then start. First I need to create the variable where I want that name. It is basically coming from the application. So to create the variable, I need to type transform. And then calculate, use the function and write. Then I think it should be in the double quotes. From the datum application, and the variable is as app name, and it gives me the variable, and this variable is going to be used inside my layer. So for that I don't require this mark here, so I'm just cutting this because it has to be added to that layer. Control X and let me have some space. Now here, after this first encoding, I need to write layer. Inside that, first I need to define the mark. So I say mark and comma, and I will have another mark, that is the text. I need to align center and align middle. So align center, and for align middle we need to say baseline middle. Now my text will come in the exact middle of the circle. I don't want there, it has to come little down. So y coordinate direction I need to change. So direction of the y coordinate dy 10 points and comma. Now I need to do the encoding because I need to configure this within that visual. So encoding app name, that is the variable we have created, and the type of this is nominal because it's a text value. And if I go back to my report, currently this visual is not very interesting, but I will make it better adding the slicers. And based on the city, I can see how that particular business is happening. So I hope you have liked this video. If any questions or comments, please mention them in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching. Keep watching.